Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to import option chain data from YahooFinance using Python. And by using the script we can pull all the option chains currently available on the site. Once we have gathered all the data for all the expirations, we can export them in a CSV file or just keep them in the environment. So the very first thing is to import these packages. We're going to assign a symbol and we're going to initialize that symbol. Now to get all the expirations, we're going to run line 10. And this will give us a nice list of all the dates that are available on Yahoo Finance. So if we take a look, we currently have 22, and we're going to pass in those dates into a loop and grab all the option chains. But first we need to assign an empty data frame, one for the calls and one for the puts. And for each unique expiration, it's going to append that data frame and store all the calls and puts. Next, we're going to put everything together and add a column for the expiration. And the last part is optional, which just displays the summaries to make sure we got the data for the calls and the puts, and also to save them as CSV files. And if we take a look at the output here we're inside the loop, so it's fetching each expiration date. And after I put everything together, it'll just display the first 5 rows for the calls and the puts, and the total number of rows it found. And we can go ahead and view those in the environment as well. So if we take a look at all calls and all puts, we see all the data along with the added column for the expiration date. And additionally, we have 2 CSV files which are stored in the working directory, displaying the same number of columns and rows. So this one's for the puts and we have one for the calls as well. So that was pretty easy to pull. I'm going to try and go over the Yahoo Finance package to see what else is available and do some more tutorials on that. But this concludes the video, guys. I hope this was useful information. I'll leave a link down in the description area to my Patreon where you can find the script. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.